It's Margarita, and I am back with my favorite clothing brand, Bombshell Sportswear.
Something that I see in you. I like that you know it too. The way that you do what you do.
I just got these in the mail today, so guess what? I had to try them out for leg day. These are the Waist Cincher leggings. I absolutely love these leggings in black, which is the original version that they had. And one of my subscribers actually mentioned that the newer versions, the twilight blue and the sunrise red, or is it sunset red? Let me read this. Yeah, sunrise red are supposed to be a little bit different in cut and material than the original black one. So now I had to try them out. I have all three colors, ladies, because I absolutely loved the black. Now, this is the original pair that I got earlier. Well, actually, I won't say earlier this year, but it's a new year. So last year, technically. And these are size small. I am in the process of bulking. So I now size up to a size medium because the legs on these pants are small. So if you are someone who has bigger legs, you want to size up. The only sucky part about that is that the waistband gets wider by 1 inch as you go up in size. So here is the blue one. Now, honestly, the blue and black, the blue is so dark that it's almost no need to have both colors. So I would say you don't need both colors, but look at this. You can see the blue in front, the blue in back, which is a medium, and the small in front, the black one. And you see how there's 1 inch of excess space. Now, the waistband is a bit loose, but it's not so loose that it's falling down, but it fits much better in the leg for me. Here's a photo. And actually, these are the red ones that's in the photos because I wore them. So it's these for leg day. Now, I think these are advertised as not being for workouts. They're advertised as being for everyday wear. And actually, no, these are great for workouts. Like I said, I did leg day today, and today was heavy lifting day. And it survived lots of things. It survived the leg press. It survived the hip thrust. It survived different resistance bands. So it was great. So do not be turned off from working out in these pants. The waistband is high. It comes about 1 inch lower to my sports bra, as you'll be able to see in the pictures, but it's not so bad. And I think the high waistband on pants that are made like this is great because of the contrast in the fabric as well as the detail. So it kind of gives it a reason to be so high, if you think of it from that way. But these are actually the same. So to answer the question of the person who mentioned that they might be different, they're identical. I inspected both garments, the old and the new, and the stitching is exactly the same. The waistband is the same. The front detail is the same. So if you have the old pair, the new pair will look just like the older pair. So don't worry about that. These are great for working out. They are squat proof. They are lift proof. And yes, these can be worn as an outfit. I actually would probably prefer to wear them out with a pair of heels because of the waist detail. I wanted to hop on and tell y'all, yes, these are a go. If you have a smaller waist and smaller legs, please size down. If you have bigger legs, size up. You will have, a little bit looser of a waistband, but honestly, it is what it is. You definitely want to make sure that your legs are not being cut off from circulation. What else? I like these pants. Would I buy them in other colors? I would buy them if they came out in some prints. Can you imagine these in a nice leopard print? Or if they did something like this in the python, because I had to send the first pair back. But if they did something like that, or any of their other pants that I may have mentioned that have a too high waistband, which is about 90% of their pants, I think if they had a contrast element, like a mixed media, different type of waistband, it may be the saving grace for people who have shorter torsos and longer legs. But let me know in the comments, did you also order these? I had to get them in all three colors because I absolutely loved them when I had them in black, and my husband loved them. So we already know when your man likes them, you have to get every color available. That's the rule. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, my handle is Margarita the Perfumista, just like it is here on YouTube. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.
something that I see in you. I like that you know it too.